Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to talk about how I fixed my Joycon drift, because this one has been drifting for a long time and I got a replacement joystick from eBay, but that one sucked and I couldn't make this video for like half a year until I got one from Amazon because I stopped being lazy. So I got this full kit from Amazon and see how it's able to do compared to just the joysticks that I got. Overall, the construction of the thing was really good, and I immediately started turning it down. We have 4 screws that we'll need to pull out from the chassis of the Joycon, and yeah, it's metal. That's actually good. Once I've pulled this, all 4 screws out, there are ribbon cables. You need to be careful to not tear those, and so you open the Joycon like this, and there is the battery connector. You just need to pull it out from the top. Once you pull the battery out and its connector, you'll be revealed to 3 screws that you can take out. The
BAP and BAP.
Yeah, okay. So you need to pull those out, and once you do, you have a good look at the actual joystick itself. So there are a bunch of ribbon connectors here. Also, you need to be careful in a ribbon connector. There is a ribbon connector that you need to remove. I just pulled that away because that will reveal one of the screws that's holding the joystick in place. You need to remove both of these screws, and once you've done that, you can remove the joystick from its place. This cable is a hassle to get back in, so it's your choice if you want to remove it or not, to make it easier to get the joystick ribbon cable back in place. I did remove it, and it's a hassle to get in, so it's your choice. Once I did remove the ribbon cable for the joystick, I actually pulled it out and I did a minor comparison between the old one and the new one. And because I hate ribbon connectors and connecting it in was a total mess, I just kind of gave up and just screwed it in place to make it easier for me to pull the ribbon in, and you can barely see it because I was really concentrating, and yeah, there was a problem to get it in, and ribbon cables are just not fun. So yeah, once I've done that and everything is back in place, I've just reassembled the entire thing. You probably should test it before, but I kind of didn't. I just reassembled everything. So yeah, and after I reassembled it, I did a test to make sure that everything worked, and once I've seen that everything worked, I was happy and I called it a day, right? So overall, I really like this kit. It has everything that you need to make sure that everything's working, and yeah, that worked for me actually really well. And as you can see, I don't have any drift, so that came out pretty good. Yeah, and just to make sure that I'm not a dumbass, I did check all of the buttons to make sure that they're still working fine. And yeah, once that confirmed that everything's working, I was happy. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.